Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to Amy CS recipe, and if you're an old subscriber, you are also welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you on how I made my sugarcane cucumber drink. First of all, I'll be telling you what inspired this drink, but please keep watching to get the details of this video. First of all, I bought sugarcane from the market and I love eating sugarcane, but my problem with it is that once I eat it, I notice I used to have some ring in my gum. So I was thinking, so how will I extract this juice, because I like enjoying my juice very well, and it occurred to me that I can use my juicer to extract the juice, and that was how I come about in making this juice. I brought out my sugarcane, brought out my cucumber. I'll also be adding a little bit of ginger for flavor to this drink. I love using ginger because it gives me a nice flavor. For the cucumber, I used it because it produced a lot of water. That was why I used it for this drink. Please, at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, like, comment. If you see this video useful, please, what do you think about it? I'll be in the comment section to know your thoughts over this drink. Thank you for stopping by. Amy CS recipe appreciates your time. Thanks once more. Like, comment, share. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.